In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your website using Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, these tips and tricks will help you navigate the platform with ease, ensuring you make the most out of its features. Let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Take a moment to select the website you want to work on. This is important because Squarespace offers a wide range of customization options for each site, and it's good to focus on one at a time to maintain continuity and style. After you've selected your website, look over to the left panel. Here, you'll find various settings and options. What we want to do next is click on the Website option. This will take us to the main dashboard where we can dive into editing and customizing content. Next, we'll want to focus on the specific pages of your website. Locate and click on Pages. This section serves as the backbone of your site, allowing you to outline and structure your content effectively. You'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Whether it's a home page, contact page, or blog, pick the page you want to make changes to. Once you've decided, click Edit at the top left. Now you might find yourself in a situation where you need to copy entire sections rather than starting from scratch every time. Squarespace makes this incredibly easy. Begin by hovering over the section you wish to copy. You'll notice a small menu button represented by This is your More menu. Click on it, and you'll see an option to duplicate section. Selecting this will create an exact copy of your selected section, preserving all its content and formatting. Once you have your duplicated section, you may want to move it around to a different part of your page. Hover over the new section until you see the cursor change, letting you know you're ready to drag it. Click and hold, and then drag the section to the desired location on your page. Release to drop it into place. This is a handy feature when you want to reuse content across different pages or reorganize your site structure quickly. By mastering these steps, you can streamline your workflow and make your Squarespace experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Remember, exploring these tools and options will allow you to be more creative with your website design while saving a significant amount of time. With practice, these actions will become second nature, helping you achieve a polished, professional-looking site every time you log in. Enjoy the creative process and see where it takes your web presence.